Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
The cost of a concrete driveway is influenced by several factors, including size and thickness of the driveway, type of concrete, labor costs, and preparation work like excavation and leveling. Additional features, such as stamped patterns or color finishes, also increase expenses. Local material costs and permits or regulations can vary, impacting the total price. Budgeting for these elements ensures an accurate estimate for your project.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.